Hello everyone, let's learn how to create Reddit post on your mobile. Reddit is a network of communities where people can dive into their interests, hobbies, and passions. They can also post their own posts and view other people's posts. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open the Reddit app on your device. When you do that, click on Create button in the middle of the screen bottom. Now you have come to Creation menu. Next you need to do is enter your title in title bar. After that, then type your text in the body text. Then click on Next button in the upper right corner. Then select the community you want to post in. You can choose a community you are already a member of or search for a new one. After that, insert photo or video into your post by clicking Option in bottom left corner. Then click on Add in upper right corner. And finally click on Post button to upload your post. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.